Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. Through this video, I want to help batsmen get better at leaving the ball, which will help them play longer format matches against good bowlers where they're able to bat for a long time. Junior batsmen tend to leave the ball very less, even in the nets, even in the matches. With this very simple drill, we can get junior batsmen leaving the good balls outside off a little bit more, which will help them to play long format matches. So let's get straight into it. So in this very simple drill, we have a stump and we have the batsman and we have a feeder. Now the feeder could be the coach or the parent or a bowler. We want to give each stump a number. Leg stump is number 1, middle stump is number 2, off stump is number 3. We also will have imaginary stumps 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 stumps or 7 lines which the batsman needs to know about. Once the numbers have been set, now the feeder or the bowler bowls. The batsman needs to step forward or step back and play the shot, but without looking behind, they need to tell the feeder or the coach what number that ball was on or what line that ball was on. So if the batsman, for example, defends the ball in front of off stump, without looking behind, they should know that it was number 3. If the ball is number 5, that's when the batsman can start to leave it through their practice. And that's all the batsman has to do in this drill. The batsman just has to tell the coach or the parent what is the number that the ball landed on, what line, starting from 1 to 7, after they play their shot without looking behind. That way they'll know exactly where their stumps are. After a little bit of practice, they would know exactly where their off stump is, and then it would be a lot easier for them to leave the ball because they know exactly where their off stump is. So let's have a look at this drill in practice with a batsman and a coach. Oh, what was the number there? 4? I think that would be probably 5. 5. That was a little far. 5. Yeah, good. Yeah, I think between 2 and 3, yeah. Probably a 3, because if it was 2, you would be playing that straight. A 3, you were playing there. What's that? Huh? That's a 5. Yeah? So now, Abhi, anything 5 and above, I want you to leave it. 1, 2, 3, 4, you play. 5, 6, 7, leave. Yep. 5 plus, good. Well done, Abhi. Yes, probably a 5 that one. But yeah, between 4 and 5, I think you're right. It's 4. Oh, that was 6. Yes, 5 plus. That's the one you should leave it. Okay, that's a nice leave. So as you can see, this is a really good drill, a very simple drill to get the batsman judging the line of the ball and to know exactly when to leave the ball. And this will help the batsman play longer format matches or bat for a longer time. I hope this information helped and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.